Hello guys, welcome to the web designing course. My name is Wasim and today we are going to start our lecture number 14. Before starting the lecture, I will request to everyone please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites. Now, the topic that we are going to learn in this video tutorial today is about that how we can put the slider in our static HTML site. Now let's start. Let me show you our work. This is our 5 pages static website which we have created in the HTML with the help of table tag, and here we have to put the slider. Now guys, you are able to make your 5 pages website, static website. This is home page, marketing page, designing page, this is blog and contact page, and here you are also able to make the registration form. So you can make the 5 pages static website very easily. Now today I will tell you that how you can make the slider and how you can put the slider here. Let's start. As this was our folder for our website, and these are the two folder and one file is given by the software that I have told you in the last lecture, Amazing Slider software, which is used at this level to create the amazing sliders. So we have created the slider in the last lecture with the help of that software, and that software give us these files. Let me show you first. This was our slider. It's looking very good, very nice with the 3D effect. Now how we can put this slider at this place? Let's start. First of all, what I will do, I want to put this index file. I will open the index file in the notepad, right? Where I have to put at the slider here in this TD. This is the TD for the slider. I will put the slider here. What I will do, I will also slider.html will open in notepad. Here guys, there are most important things which we have to do. What's that? This slider.html file gives us one head section and the second one is body section, right? Now we have to copy the head section this and paste it in our index file head section. And let's start how we will do. I will copy this thing. This is the head opening and head closing tag. In between I will copy everything and I will paste this thing in the index.html head section. This is my head section of index.html. What I will do, I already have made the title tag. I will copy this thing here, and now this is the title tag given by Amazing Slider. We do not need this because we already have the title make choice. So what I will do, I will remove this thing. Hope you are understand this thing. If you do not understand anything, you can comment me. I will tell you the answer. Now what we have done, I have copied this from slider.html to index.html. Now after this, in the body section we have this div. What we will do, we will copy from here till then, right before the closing body tag. I will copy each and everything of this slider.html. I will copy this thing and we have to put the slider here. So what I will do, simply I will open my index.html file where we have copied this head section. I will go to the slider td. Here you can see this is my slider td, right? What I will do, I will remove the slider word from here and copy that. Sorry, I have not copied this thing. I will copy the body sections HTML and JavaScript given by the slider.html. I will copy this thing and paste this thing where my slider td. I'll remove this thing and I will paste this thing here. Hope you are understand this thing, right? So my comment section, I will do what? Because I think I have not copied complete. Let me check. Yes, this is missing, if I will not do this, my remaining text will be in the comment section, right? I will save this thing. Now I will refresh my browser. What I have done, let me explain you again. This is my head section copied from slider.html, and this is what in the td I have copied this div, this all, right? Now what I will do is I will refresh my index.html. Here you can see the slider is here. Looks very good with the amazing effects. Let me check for you the 3D effect also. So at this level, this is very good software given by the amazing slider software to make the sliders, because we are at the initial level. So in this way you can put the slider here. Yes, wow, it's amazing 3D with 3D effect. Now what I will do, these borders are just for your understanding. I will remove the border from my index file. How I will do this? I'm in this td, so I will remove border color and border. I will save this thing, refresh my browser. Here you can see it's look like somehow websites. You can see the website is now going to complete. I will complete all these websites so that you can be able to make the 5 pages static website. But you can see these dots are in this container or in the content area. So what I will do, I will put here the margin bottom. So how I can do this, let me tell you. In the index file, in the td, this is the td where we have copied this div. So this is called, here is the margin 0 and auto, because you remember that we have unchecked the margin top and bottom. So what I will do, I will put the margin before this semicolon. I will write here 50 pixels. Here px is necessary to write. I will refresh. Here you can see it's looking very good. The slider is working. Now what I will do, I will put marketing and designing pages slider, and the remaining is your assignment. You will do this. I will put marketing and designing. How I will do this, let me show you first. I will open the marketing page in the notepad. Also I will open the designing page in the notepad, right? Now what I will do is, first of all, in the slider.html, I will copy this thing, the head from the slider.html. and copy this. I copy this thing from here and paste it in our both files. This is marketing.html and this is head section. I will copy in the head, remove the title tag from here because I do not need the title. I already have copied the title. Also, in the same way, I will copy this thing in my designing.html. Remove the title tag the same way. Now, what I want to do is in these both files, I want to copy from slider.html the body part. How I will do this? I will copy this thing like this, and now what I will do, I will copy this thing. This is my marketing.html and this is the slider TD where we have to do the work. I will copy the body part here like this. Hope you understand this thing. Before that, I will write here the margin 50 pixel as we have talked about this. Exactly the height also. I have told you that height should be 300 and move the border color and border. So marketing.html page is complete. In the same way, let me show you first. This is our marketing.html page. Here you can see the slider is here. Marketing.html and this is our index.html. Now I'm going to do this for designing.html. How I will do this? We have copied from the head section. Now we have to put in the border. In the slider section, how we will do? This is the TD. First of all, I will copy this thing and I will write here the margin 50 pixel bottom and height 300, and I will remove this height 300 because in the last lecture I have told you that height should be 300. It will be look amazing, and also we have created the folder with the height 300. I will save this thing. This is designing.html. Refresh my browser and I will click on designing.html. Here you can see designing.html and the slider is working here. So in this way, on two other pages you will put the slider and practice this thing more and more time. And if you do not understand anything, you can comment me. I will answer your questions. So once again, if you like my video, please thumbs up my video and subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites. We will complete this site so that you will be able to make 5 pages static website. I will complete this website in the next lectures. So thank you so much for today.